Did you just get hit with the unusual activity detected message on ElevenLabs? You're not alone, and this could be way more serious than you think. Let's break down exactly what's causing it, how to fix it, and how to avoid getting locked out of your account permanently. So, what triggers this warning? Multiple logins from different devices or locations, using VPNs or proxy servers, automated requests, or browser extensions that simulate bot like behavior, downloading too many voice files in a short time, sharing your login across teams of friends. Let's jump to the main thing. I'm going to convert this text into speech. Let's generate it. Oops, we got the error which says unusual activity detected. So how we are going to fix this? I have watched too many YouTube videos on it, but none of them works for me. Just follow this simple trick which I found myself because I love ElevenLabs and I don't want to shift to any other platform. Okay, so you have to disconnect your home Wi-Fi, open your mobile data and hotspot, connect your laptop to that hotspot. Now let's try to generate our speech.
Click Import. Select your source language. It will take 14 credits. More
Voila,
accurate.
it worked. Let's see if it's downloadable or not. Yep, this method is 100% working. You have to use this method for 1 month, and after that you can use your Wi-Fi and your problem will have been solved and you'll not receive any error. Try this method and let me know if it works in your country or not. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends who are curious about AI voice generation.